Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view credit balance on Temu app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your credit balance on Temu app, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options, and on the middle there is the U button. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when you land on this interface you can see there is the option that says credit balance over here just above the addresses. Tap on credit balance and all of your credit balance available through your credit card will be over here. But if you have signed into a different account, then you can change your account from over here. If your credit balance is not available, change your account to view your balance from over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to view your credit balance on the Temu app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.